So today I'm gonna do exercise number 13. Write the function slope x1, y1, x2, y2 that returns the slope of the line through the points x1, y1, and x2 and y2. After we set up all of this, I'm gonna test this. And also we have another exercise in here. Is use a call to slope in a new function named intercept x1, y1, x2, y2 that returns the y-intercept of the line through the points x1, y1, and x2, y2. And then we also need to test this. So the first one is gonna be this one. Is to return the slope, and the second one in here is gonna be this one. So now what we need to do is to test each of these. So let's run it, and then I'm just gonna copy this and I'm gonna paste it in here. Then I get 1, then second, it's gonna be 0. Then we are gonna test this point again. We get 0.5, and then the last one. And we get 2 in here. So now we are gonna do the second exercise in here. We are gonna also test this in here. We get 3 in here. Let's do the next one. We get 7. And then we do the last one, and we get 5.